What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I got a grand slam for you. Check it out. Remember, guys, you can follow me on Twitter. In the description section below, you'll find all my social media, really. Also, you'll find the link to Webull. Webull is a stock trading app like Robinhood. You download it, fund your account, and you get 2 free stocks. One of them, I think, if you fund with $100, I think one of them could be valued up to $1,400 or something like that. Regardless of the fact, you download the app, you fund your account, you get 2 free stocks. Keep them, sell them, use the money to go out on a date. I don't know, whatever you want. But who says no to free money? So make sure you take advantage of that, as well as all the other links there for like trade ideas, 15% off coupons. Check those out in the description section below. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. Now, today, guys, is insane, all right? Like, we're talking about crazy madness going on here today. There was a lot to watch. I tweeted my watch list this morning. Let me show you real quick here the SPY so you could see what's been happening here. Look at this gap down. That is a massive gap down from 311 all the way down here to like 304 area right at the open. And then a low of day of $365. The SPY's daily is pretty gnarly looking. I want you to see this. I have taken advantage of this, and I have added to some of my long-term stuff, and I do have a video I'm working on that I'm going to show you guys for the long-term, which is not like a retirement long-term type account. It's just a regular taxable type long-term account that I'm working on, and I'm going to show it to you guys. But I'm working on that video, and I will have it up for you sometime here in the next couple of weeks or so. Okay, so here you go. Let me zoom in on this. Look at this, man. The SPY hit an all-time high up here in the 338 area, and then pulled it all the way back in down here over the course of 6 trading days. Okay, 6 trading sessions right here, all the way down here to $300. That is massive. I've been super excited, and I've been able to trade throughout all this, and I've had some real decent days here amongst this. So I'm really happy. Today being the best day. Okay, today being the best day. And what I traded today was a number of things. Okay, I mean, I had a lot on my watch list. I had Codex on my watch list. Don't know why it's not on here. Okay, here we go. Codex had a crazy time yesterday. Like it got up here to $10, almost $11, and then it pulled it all the way back in, got halted. All the way down here to $7 and change, and then in after hours it was right back up to $10, and this morning it gapped up here to $15, $16, $17, $19. Okay, almost $20. That's insane. But then that's it. That's all she wrote. Just that one quick pop, and now she's just faded it. You know, a lot of halts. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 halts so far on that one. Another one that, you know, I had on watch. Whoops. Let's get rid of that. Another one here that I had on watch was AP. Was it APHI? I don't think that's the right word. That's the right. Here we go. AHPI. There we go. And this one was a big gap up too, from $3 and change all the way up here to the 5s and almost $6. And then it had a high day of $7.93. Like, this was a big move. But as you can see, if you're like a momentum chaser, sure, you had opportunity to make bank here. But if you're, you know, a pullback trader, there's only one pullback here I would have traded, which would have been this one right into this previous halt price and this VWAP and 90 MA. That would have been an entry for me all day long. I would have taken that entry and then sold some up here, and then probably gotten stopped out the rest because there's really not a lot of follow through. We're getting a lot of pops and then kind of like a double top on these small caps. So see, that's it. That's all she did right there. TNPX was another one. I almost bought this in after hours yesterday, and I regret so much not buying it, because I could have bought this in after hours like at around $1.08, $1.10. And look at this gap up, guys, all the way up here, $1.98 high a day. Sure, it did nothing after that, but it would have been a great swing trade overnight. Nothing there for a day trade, as you can see, unless you're shorting. Let's see, what else do we have here? I think that's it for the small caps. Tesla went down with the market. And that's about it. Oh, SPCE. So SPCE was a swing trade from yesterday. Bought March 6th expiration date. What is it? $30 strike. Okay, bought those. I only bought one. I wanted more. I was hoping that I'd get to add today because I figured it was going to be at least a two to 3 day swing trade. So I was hoping I could add today to it. So I just took a starter yesterday, and I mean, no chance to add. This thing gapped down nasty, 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 all the way down here to a low of day of $19.11. I closed this out way too early, way too early. I closed it off here on this drop right here. So we opened up. And right on this candle here, I closed off that swing trade on that put. But it was a real nice gain. Let me show it to you right now. I do have it live recorded here. And here I am waiting for the market to open. Market opens, and they're going off at $8. I have one put. I bought at $2.61. Okay, so that means it cost me $261 to buy this. And look at this unrealized profit right there at $4.99. I tried to get out there. I was looking for it to dip real nasty and go to $9. That would have been epic, but it didn't do that, and it started to recover. And then I didn't want to get, ran over. But I was patient. I did not sell through all that. In the past, I would have. But not today. Market was tanking, and this thing is weak. I said to myself, this is just shorts covering, from that overnight hold. And who could blame them? They got to take their profit. This should come back down at least to test the low of day. So there we start to break it back down. You can see the options are going off again at 750. They were like at $6 and change for a while. And now it's dipping more. And I was thinking about taking it at 760, but I said, nah, this thing is going to break the low of day. So right here, I put out an order on the ask at 810, which it's easy to second guess myself now after the fact, but I probably should have been more patient with this, because if we break this low of day, then we're going to have more downside. Why? Because, whoever reshorted up here might have added here when we broke underneath VWAP. It's a break of the low of day. If anybody got long here, this is their stop. So we can expect an extra dip. So, I mean, could have made a little bit more. You see there, they're gone at $8.10 from $2.61. That made me $548 right there. So that's a real nice solid win. You can see them going off at 840. And I do believe that they end up hitting $9 at one point or another. So, I did leave at least $200 on the table there. But hey, can't complain, right? $548 overnight hold on that. That's really good. And then we had a couple more things I did. Okay, so now I from here I go off and I trade E-mini futures, and we're gonna go over those here at the end. But now we're gonna go on to the SPY. I had a little hiccup. Here, and I'm gonna show you what happened. Let me make this screen a little bit smaller. There we go, just so that I can bring another screen in. I hope you can really see that. What if I make it? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so you can see here, I'm in 10 contract SPY puts. I'm looking for this 90 MA crossing over VWAP right there. I'm really hoping you guys can see that. Let me see if I can make this a little bigger, actually. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to bring another live screen in here. Yeah, there you go. You should be able to see it now. So I'm looking for this 90 MA to cross over VWAP, push this SPY down to make new lows, okay? I'm in on this at 290s, so I'm thinking, if we make new lows, these things are going to be so volatile. They should easily go hit, 350, take off some, hold on to the rest, looking for, new deeper flushes through the 200-day moving average on the SPYs daily. Okay, but I'm seeing we're struggling a lot right there, right? And then what I do is I go ahead and I look at the futures contracts that I was trading prior to this, and they're kind of double bottoming right here. And I'm like, what if we're gonna find support here in front of the 200-day moving average, and then we're not gonna flush? So I stop out of those with a small profit right here. So five more, and I made like 20 something bucks there. So whatever. Then I fumbled this trade. Let me make this just regular size again. How do we do that? There we go. So I'm in 10 contracts, $2.96. I'm looking to see if we can get, a new low put in here. And then my thought process was I was going to take off half right here in front of the low of day. And as you can see right here, I highlighted the amount of contracts I have because my goal here was to put 5. But I don't know if I highlighted it and I didn't click 5, like I didn't press 5 on my keyboard, or if I highlighted it and I don't know. I don't know what happened. And it's so frustrating because check this out. I'm in at these at 296. We're going off at 304 right now. Right there at 310, I wanted to take just half off. Just take five contracts off and then hold the other 5 looking for a new low day and a full $1 move on that. That would have been $500. And I would have gotten it too because look at this. Look at that. Remember, I was in at those at 296. Look at this, $4. I would have nailed $500 there. That would have put me up over $1,500 on the day. I was so mad. Like, trading is the only place that you can perform really good, like I did today, and make over $1,000 on the day. Heck, I made over $1,000 before 10 a.m. or right around 10 a.m. and be mad that you do something like this because I should have been paying attention. I should have been paying attention and known and seen that I did not have 5 on there like I thought I did. Really was but I mean, there's no sense in crying over spilled milk, right? Then I also traded futures, E-minis, and I'm going to show you those orders here. Here, first, let me show you what I made. So right there. Oh, it just scrolls through all my pictures. Here you go. Made $372.50 trading the futures. And the way I did that was shorting the market itself via E-mini contracts right there. So I did two orders. Let's see here. So I sold 30.63.75 contracts and I rebought them at 30.60.50. Okay, each $1. I only bought one contract at a time. As you can see there, quantity 1. Each $1 it moves equates to $50 changed in my P&L, up or down, obviously. And then right here, I did the same thing again. I one contract 30.45.25 and rebought it or covered at 30.42.50. Okay, and you can see here the dates and timestamps, so you can see that was today. And right there, just those two trades, $370 something right there, plus my $548 from my SPCE swing, plus my $164 in my SPY puts, well up over $1,000 on the day. And I am super happy and ecstatic right now with this volatility. When all this madness and craziness is happening is when I trade the best. It is what it is. It is what it is. I don't know why, but that's when I trade the best and take advantage of these opportunities. Now, I'm still going to be focused up in the market and seeing if we're going to get maybe some SPY bounces here, maybe a SPY call swing overnight, bounce off that 200-day moving average type deal. The daily is looking pretty good so far for that. We pierced the 200 moving average. We're bouncing off of it. We'll see what happens later on this afternoon. But for now, that is it for me. I'm super happy. Great week, great month. The best month of my trading career, period. I told you guys last year that this year was going to be different. And so far, I can't even, there's no words. It's so much more different than I expected. I'm really happy. I'm really confident in my trading. And so much so that you see I'm trading futures now. Now, I just started dabbling in that last night, the night before. The night before was my first trade. I traded some E-minis. I posted on Twitter about it. Last night, I traded 2 contracts in separate moments, and I made $80. Okay, on that right before bed. I did that, I tweeted it, and then I went to bed. It was awesome because finished playing some Apex Legends with my buddy. Then I made the baby's milk so my wife could feed the baby, and came back to the computer, took those E-mini trades. Okay, yesterday was E-minis. The micro E-minis was the night before when I was trying to figure out the system. And then, made 80 something bucks, went to bed, woke up this morning, nailed them again. So I'm really liking this future stuff. I'm going to keep trading it and learning about it. And once I do and feel more comfortable, I'll do a video just surrounding it. If you're interested in that, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. If you want me to post some futures trading videos, I will definitely do that. Let me know how you did. Drop that as well in the comment section below. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I'll catch you on the next one.